Hello everyone, how are you doing? Zatiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reset your Wi-Fi adapter or how to reset Wi-Fi settings on laptop to defaults in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and search for network reset and hit enter. Click on reset now and confirm on yes, and click on close. Go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart to apply the change, and wait a moment. Enter with your PIN or your password, and this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.